Welcome to the Brookhaven Instruments How-To series. Today we tackle how to make DLS measurements using the 3 angles of the NanoBrook Omni dynamic light scattering instrument. In this brief video, I will show you how to make dynamic light scattering measurements using each of the 3 angles with the Brookhaven Instruments NanoBrook Omni instrument. First of all, make sure in your measurement mode you are in DLS mode. Okay, and then you would click the new measurement button. When your experiment setup window pops up, you would load whatever SOP you would like to load. For my purposes, I have created one just for the purposes of this video. And then if you come into instrument parameters, you choose which of the 3 angles you would like to measure first. Enter any additional information you would like about temperature or number of measurements. Click OK. And then don't forget to click Start. The instrument will then do a brief optimization of the signal from the sample. And then it will start taking the measurement. And then for each successive measurement, you repeat the process, but choose the other 2 angles. When this process is complete, you may then look at those 3 measurements you just made. You can highlight each of them, and then you can open up your graphs and overlay the data. I hope this has been helpful. That is how you would make DLS measurements at the 3 different angles of the NanoBrook Omni.